Today, I'm going to show you how to cook one of my favorite ackee and saltfish. I have some vegetable oil here in the pot, and I have some peppers, green peppers. This is Scotch bonnet here, tomato, and some onion here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use about this big spoon of the onion in. So I just add my saltfish in, which is boiled and picked. I'll be adding a bit of black pepper to this. It's personal preference. Then I'm going to add my chopped sweet peppers and the chili pepper in. This is optional, personal preference. You don't have to. At this point, I'm going to add my tomato in. At this point, I'm going in with my ackee, which I'm using a tin ackee. I'm going to add some black pepper over this. And I'm just going to gently toss it. So while doing this, and the reason why I'm doing it, because the ackee will keep a bit hold and not breaking up. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let it stay a little bit longer for the heat to pass through the ackee, for it to warm through. So at this point now, I'm going to give it another toss. And that should be ready. So this is how you get the perfect ackee and saltfish.